Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. So in this video, we will see our new topic, that is Know Your SBI Part 2. Earlier we have covered the Know Your SBI Part first. Now financial data as on 31st March 2024. So what are the highlights financial year for 2024? Total assets is 61,79,694 crore. Deposit 49,16,077 crore. Our advances is 37,67,535 crore. Fee income is 28,126 crore. Our net interest income, that is NII, is 1,59,876 crore. Profit after tax, PAT, is 61,077 crore. Our operating profit is 93,797 crore. Now, if we see the growth in total assets, that is 12.01%, deposit growth 11.13%, advance growth 15.24%, fee income growth 7.17%, net interest income growth is 10.38%, profit after tax growth is 21.59%, and profit per employee is 26.2 lakh. What is our total assets? Our total assets is 61,79,694 crore. Our deposit is 49,16,077 crore. Our advances is 37,67,535 crore. Our fee income is, what is our fee income? 28,126 crore. Our NII is 1,59,876 crore. Our PAT is 61,077 crore, and our operating profit is 93,797 crore. Now moving to our financial and non-financial data of SBI. So as per 31st March 2024, our market share in debit card spend is 25.4%. Our YONO registration during financial year 2024. So total 1.3 crore, approximately 1.3 crore our YONO registration done in financial year 2024. Current account open, how many current account open in 31st March 2024? That is 2.5 lakh. How many? 2.5 lakh. Women in SBI workplace, how much percent women work in SBI? So 27% as on 31st March 2024. Our average daily login on YONO is greater than 1.28 crore. Our average daily login on YONO is greater than 1.28 crore. Our debit card spend transaction is greater than 65 crore. Total number of CSP as on 31st March 2024 is 82,932. How many? 82,932 is our total number of CSP. Our new to digital customer on board is 5,24,504. So 5,24,504 is our new to digital customer. Market share of mobile banking, number of transactions. So what is the market share of mobile banking of number of transactions is 26.81%. How many? 26.81% is our market share of mobile banking of transaction. Overseas customer onboarded through YONO. How many overseas customer onboarded through YONO? That is 2,07,000. How many? 2,07,000. What is pre-approved business loan disbursed? So 1,05,052 is our pre-approved business loan. So 1,05,052 is pre-approved business loan. Digital loan sanction during financial year 2024 is 70,34,597. So 70,34,597 is our digital loan sanction during financial year 2024. Rural Self-Employment Training Institutes is only 152. How many? 152 is our Rural Self-Employment Training Institute. Overseas branches office across 29 countries, 241 branches. So 241 branches is overseas branches of office across how many countries? 29 countries. SME intensive branches in India. So 864 is the SME intensive branches in India. CAR, what is CAR? Capital adequacy ratio is 14.28% as on 31st March 2024. So 14.28% is our CAR. Our CASA ratio is 41.11%. So this ratio is very important for examination. So 41.11% is our CASA. CET1 ratio is 10.36%. Okay. So cash equity ratio is our 10.36%. Our gross NPA is 84,276 crore. Okay, so our GNPA is 84,276 crore. Our GNPA ratio is 2.24%. How many? 2.24%. Our NNPA 21,051 crore. Okay. So this is GNPA and GNPA ratio. This is NNPA and NNPA ratio. NNPA ratio is 0.57%. So our PCR with OCA is 91.89. PCR without OCA is 75.02%. ROA, return on assets is 1.04%. Return on equity is 20.32%. Okay. Our slippage ratio is 0.62% as on 31st March 2024. So our slippage ratio is how much percent? 0.62%. Tier 1 ratio is 11.93. Tier 2 2.35%. Total number of ATM and ADWM machine, ATM withdrawal machine is, account deposit withdrawal machine is 63,580. So 63,580 is our total number of ATMs and ADWMs. Number of branches, total number of branches, how many we have? Total number of branches 22,542. So 22,542 is our total number of branches. So our 63,580 is our total number of ATM and ADWMs. 22,542 is our total number of branches. How many we have? Total number of branches is 22,542. Dividend declared for financial year 2024 is rupees 13.70 per equity share. So 13.70 per equity share is our dividend declared in FY 2024. Global Trade Finance Center, Kolkata and Hyderabad is 2. Our CASA deposit growth is 19,41,996. Our CASA deposit and growth is 4.25%. How many CASA deposit? The amount is 19,41,996 is our CASA deposit and our growth is 4.25%. Yield on investment is 7%. Now, enrollment in various scheme and market share in financial year 2024. Now, in this table we will see the enrollment in various scheme and market share of FY 2024. Market share in central government business is 63%. So 63% is market share in central government business. Market share in NRLM loans among PSB is 29%. So 29% is NRLM loans among PSB. Market share of deposit is how much? 22.55%. So 22.55% is market share of deposit. Market share of advances is 9.06. So 9.06 is the market share of advances. What is the market share in home loans? So 26.50 is the market share in home loan. Auto loans 19.80. So 19.80 is the market share in auto loans. SBI Life 24.60. Market share of SBI Life is 24.60. Market share of NPS 21%. So market share of NPS is how much? 21%. Market share of Pradhan Mantri Jeevan Jyoti Bima Yojana is 46.9%. So 46.9% is the market share of PMJJBY. And what is the market share of PMSBY? 39.99%. 39.99% is the market share of PMSBY. Market share of APY is 32.39. 32.39% is the market share of Atal Pension Yojana. What is the market share of alternate channel transaction? So approximate 97.80% is the market share of alternate channel transaction. Market share of mobile banking number of transaction is 26.81%. So 26.81% is the market share of mobile banking number of transaction. Market share of ATM is 29.06. 29.06 is the market share of ATM, and market share of mobile banking transaction value is 21.64. So 21.64 market share of mobile banking and transaction value. The new enrollment added during financial year 2024 is new PPF account is added, and the approximately 4.82 lakhs. So in during the financial year 2023 and 24, the new enrollment is added, like new in the new PPF account. How many new PPF account is added? 4.82 lakh. New SSA account added is 3.19 lakh. So 3.19 lakh account is added in a new SSA. New SCSS account is 4.58 lakh. So 4.58 lakh is the new SCSS account added. Mahila Saman Saving Certificate account added is how much? 1.83 lakh. So 1.83 lakh account is open in MSSC during financial year 2023 and 24. Digital saving account open in FY 2023-24. How many? Approximately 91 lakh. And what is the daily average? 25,000 account has been opened daily. Okay, so digital saving account open in FY 2023 and 24 is approximately 91 lakh, and average is 25,000. So 91 lakh account is open in digital saving accounts, and our average is daily 25,000 accounts. SBI has opened 2.51 regular saving bank account per day per branch during financial year 2024. SBI opened 2.51 regular saving bank account per day as per branch during FY 2024, and SBI opened 60.89%. If we're talking about percentage, so 60.89 regular saving bank account through digital channel during FY 2024 account is open. So SBI has opened 60.89% regular saving bank account through digital channel during FY 2024. Now moving to the next table. This table is regarding share of advances, YOY growth and GNPA. In a loan segment, if we're talking about retail person in crore, so our portfolio is in retail personal 13,52,265. These all amount in crore, and our growth is 14.68. So if we're talking about retail person loan, so our advances is 13,52,265, and our growth is 14.68%. In agri, 3,04,944, and our growth is 17.92%. So in agri, our advances is 3,04,944, and our growth is 17.92%. If we're talking about corporate loan, so 11,38,202 is our advances, and our growth is 16.17. So in corporate, 11,38,202 is our advances, and 16.17 is growth. In SME, 4,33,037 is advances, and 20.53 is our growth. So 4,33,037 crore is our SME advances, and our growth is 20.53. Total domestic advances is 32,28,448 crore, and our growth is 16.26%. Foreign office advances, our foreign office advances is 5,39,086 crore, and our growth is 9.47. So our total whole bank advances is 37,67,535 crore, and our total growth is 15.24%. So our total whole bank advances, how much amount is? 37,67,535 crore, and our growth is 15.24%. Now in retail person, in home loan, how much home loan is there? 7,25,818. Our growth is 13.29%, and GNPA is 0.76. In auto loan, our advances is 1,16,543 crore. Our growth is 19.50 and our GNPA is 0.38%. In express credit, our advances 3,48,438 crore. Our growth is 14.62% and our GNPA is 0.77%. Our personal gold loan is 32,676 crore. Our growth is 13.83 in personal gold loan and GNP is also 0.167. Other P segment loan, the advances is 1,28,791 crore. Our growth is 18.97% and our GNP is 0.62%. In the next table, this is the share of deposit and YOY growth. Okay, so in a current account deposit, our deposit amount in crore is 2,87,043 crore and our growth is 1.99%. So in current account, the deposit is 2,87,043 crore and our growth is 1.99. In saving bank deposit account, 16,54,953 is our total deposit amount in saving bank deposit and growth is 4.65. Our total CASA deposit is 19,41,996 crore and our growth is 4.25%. If we're talking about term deposit, so our term deposit is 27,82,340 crore and our growth is 16.38%. So how much amount is there for term deposit is 27,82,340 crore and our growth is 16.38. Total domestic deposit is 47,024,336 crore and our growth is 11.7. Our foreign office deposit, the total amount is 1,97,741 crore and our growth is 12.65. And what is the total deposit? 49,16,077 crore and our growth is 11.13%. Okay, so our total deposit is 49,16,077 crore and our growth is 11.33. So current account deposit share is 6.8% and our saving account deposit share is 35.3. In income, our total fee income is 28,126 crore and if we're talking about growth, so growth is 7.17%. Our loan processing charges is 5,867 crore and our growth is 16.43. For commission on LC and bank guarantee is 3,210 crore and our growth is 2.41%. If we're talking about cross selling, in cross selling the income is 3,891 crore and our growth is 6.86%. Commission for government businesses, for the income for government businesses commission is 3,919 crore and our growth is minus 0.85%. Income for remittance collection, the income is 6,347 crore and our growth is minus 5.1%. Miscellaneous fee income is 4,892 crore and for growth is 28.89%. Forex income is 1,715 crore. Our miscellaneous income is 10,005 crore. Our total interest income is 4,15,131 crore and our non-interest income total is 51,682 crore. Okay, so backup for fee income, our loan processing charges plus commission on government business, commission on LCBG, cross-selling, remittance collection, etc. plus fee income is equals to fee income. So thank you guys for watching this video.